NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 4. Prove that sin alpha plus cos alpha of tan alpha plus cot alpha is equal to secant alpha plus cosecant alpha. Let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to sin alpha plus cos alpha of tan alpha plus cot alpha. Let us expand the product. First one is sin alpha into tan alpha plus sin alpha into cot alpha plus cos alpha into tan alpha plus cos alpha into cot alpha. That is equal to sin alpha into tan alpha can be written as sin alpha by cos alpha plus sin alpha into cot alpha can be written as cos alpha by sin alpha plus cos alpha into tan alpha can be written as sin alpha by cos alpha plus cos alpha into cot alpha can be written as cos alpha by sin alpha. That is equal to sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha by cos alpha plus we can cancel sin alpha from numerator and denominator and we are left with cos alpha plus cos alpha can be cancelled from both numerator and denominator and we are left with sin alpha plus cos alpha times cos alpha is cos square alpha divided by sin alpha. Now let us take LCM separately for the first two terms and the last two terms. For the first two terms, LCM is cos alpha and in the numerator we get sin square alpha plus we have 1 as common, so cos alpha times cos alpha cos square alpha plus, and in the last two terms we can take sin alpha as the LCM. 1 is common, so sin alpha into sin alpha sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Numerator sin square alpha plus cos square alpha can be written as 1 by cos alpha plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha can be written as 1 divided by sin alpha. That is equal to 1 by cos alpha is secant alpha plus 1 by sin alpha is cosecant alpha, which is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we have proved that sin alpha plus cos alpha of tan alpha plus cot alpha is equal to secant alpha plus cosecant alpha.